Hey guys, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. So yesterday, I had to change a vacuum pump on a Cadillac CTS front engine rear wheel drive. It's a 2.0 turbo. The reason I had to change the vacuum pump was for a severe oil leak that just happened all of a sudden apparently. So let me show you what I got. This is the vacuum pump, and it's mounted very nicely on the back of the cylinder head and is driven by the exhaust camshaft. First thing I noticed once I got this thing unbolted was this gear is actually broken. I don't know if I can get it out of there. Nope, can't get it out of there. But yeah, there it goes. And the other half won't come out. Yeah, that's the gear that drives it. Now, if you guys have to replace one of these, this gasket that's on here, it comes with it. They said it didn't, so I ordered one. The gasket itself is $60. The actual pump itself, it's only 80 bucks cost. So, but anyway, what I did notice, where is it? Yeah, right there. Oil was pouring out of this thing. I mean, like a waterfall. And you can see there's a gap there, and you can see there's stuff inside. So something exploded, something broke. So I'm going to take this cover off because I'm curious myself. The reason I could not film this yesterday is because there was so much noise in the shop, I would have never gotten audio on it. So let me just take this off real quick. Oops. All right, I might have to pause this. And through the magic of television, screws are out. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's supposed to be a pump. And that's what's left of it. Nice job there. So obviously, that whole thing just disintegrated. And the guy said it was fine. He pulled in his driveway. He said there was no oil leaks. What the hell that is? He said there were no oil leaks. Oh, that's part of this. And he said something told him to check the oil. He checked the oil. Oil was fine. And so his wife, a little while later, was backing out of the driveway to leave. And he says, as she was backing out, he said she got to the bottom of the driveway, and all of a sudden there's a pool of oil pouring out. So he had her shut it off. I guess lucky, because had she driven away, she would have driven down and used up all the oil and probably needed a motor at that point. So I thought that's kind of interesting that this thing broke apart like that. So again, if you ever go to change one of these things, it's kind of in a pain in the ass of a spot. I wound up, I guess if you got skinny arms and hands, you could probably get in there. Well, what I wound up doing was I actually lowered the cradle down about an inch, which dropped the motor down about an inch, because this thing is stuffed underneath the cowl. The bolts themselves, that one is actually the hardest one to get, no? Yes, that one's the hardest one to get to. Just because of where it's located, trying to get your hand back there, you can't even see it. You can see it with a mirror. And then reaching back there with a ratchet to break the 10mm loose, yeah, it's not fun. But anyway, got it done. Customer was happy. And that's about it. So, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Keep wrenching.